get there. People have been on our workshops multiple times, which is the most impressive thing that I think that you can say about a workshop is that a workshop, especially a workshop that doesn't change its itinerary from year to year that much, that you have people coming back 5 times. We've had someone that he no longer comes with us, but at the up until 2024 was his 5th trip with us. We've had multiple people that have been more than once, and a lot of times I think they love the experience, they love, sort of being with David and the group and
Mhm.
and the experiences the relationships they built, but they also realize when they get back, "God, if I could shoot that one thing again, this is what I would do. This is how I would
Yeah,
approach it."
that's
Because
great.
the first time I might have been overwhelmed by that, and you get back and we share photos in the group. We have a Google Drive, we share the photos, and so you can see other people's work. And it's not really to compete, but it does sort of spur you on during the week. You get to see what other folks are doing. And I tell you, um, I'm a photographer. I have commission jobs. I work for nonprofits and I do some corporate work, but I will not I know for a fact that I'm not the best photographer in the group, when there are other photographers that I always see their work. And the sign of that is that there's always photos that you